Are you ready to move your crypto? Transferring funds can seem daunting. But don't worry. We'll make it simple and safe. Let's dive in. First, log into your OKX wallet. You can use the app or website. Once logged in, navigate to your wallet section. This area holds all your cryptocurrencies. Now, choose which crypto you want to send. For example, select USDT if that's your choice. Ensure you have enough funds, including fees for the transfer. Next, open Binance. Log into your account on the app or website. Go to your wallet and tap Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you're transferring, like USDT. Very important, select the same network you're using on OKX. For instance, if sending ERC20 USDT, select ERC20 on Binance too. Using the incorrect network can lead to losing your funds. Binance will give you a deposit address. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Carefully copy this address. Return to OKX. In your USDT wallet, click Withdraw. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient address field. Double check that you've copied it correctly. Mistakes here can mean losing your funds. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction fees and confirm the withdrawal. You might have to confirm your action via a security code or email link. Follow the prompts carefully to complete this step. Now, wait for your transfer to be processed. It can take a few minutes or up to 30 minutes based on network congestion. You can track the status on OKX under Withdrawal History. Alternatively, use a blockchain explorer with your transaction ID for more details. Once completed, open your Binance wallet. Check your balance, your funds should be available now. Remember these tips, always double-check the wallet address and network for accuracy. If you're new to transferring, start with a small amount first. Be aware of network fees, as they can vary. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred funds from OKX to Binance. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!